Oh, by the way, let's.
Coming bright. What is up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, TheHkWedding, and you're welcome to another vlog. Okay, by the way, this audio is my in-camera audio, and yes, I am filming with my new lens. Hey, what do you guys think? I mean, I wouldn't know until I'm editing, but right now I think it looks pretty good. You guys would have to let me know in the comments as you're watching. Anyway, in this video, or just to start off this video, I want to do an unboxing. And guys, your comments go a long way, you have no idea. I remember mentioning in my last video how I wanted to wait and like recuperate from the purchase I did of this lens, and reading your comments, you guys were so excited, so happy for me, and that gingered me, you know, that gingered me to go and get a new mic, because I was just tired of like giving excuses or wanting to do stuff and it's not just working out for me. So I got a new mic. Okay, it just arrived like literally 5 minutes ago. I sent a driver to the airport to pick it up. Like, I got it from Camera Joint. This is actually not sponsored. The customer service is top notch. Like, this is my first time ordering anything from them. I've inquired a few times, but I never purchased anything. So this is like my first one, and guys, I am so impressed. Anyway, yeah, I just opened it. So this is my new microphone. Can you guys see it? Okay, now I think the focus with this is, yeah, it's crazy. This is my new microphone. So this was the one I got. This is the wireless Go 2, but this is the dual channel wireless microphone system. Really love this stuff. I'm just reading it because like I just got it. Yes. Yeah, it comes with 3 cords, like a pouch. And then the star of the show, basically it's free, so you have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to charge it right now, and then I'm also going to get ready because Amnah and I were attending a wedding today. I'm actually third wheeling, so I'm going to a wedding with Amnah and her husband. So the wedding is for 7 o'clock, but I think we're going at 7:30. So I need to go shower, do my makeup. I don't even know what I'm going to wear. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to get ready because Amnah knows, and Amnah actually warned me. She's like, Vivian, I know you're going to take 10 years to get ready. Please. So I'm going to get ready, go to Amnah's house, and I think from there we're going to go together. But anyway, yeah, let me go get ready now, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, I know it was an abrupt end, but I'm in Amnah's house right now, and I can't even begin to explain. Amnah lied to me that she was ready since. I've been here for like over 30 minutes. Anyway, this evening we're off to a wedding at Blue Velvet Marquee in Zone 4. So yeah, I plan to take my camera, but I don't know if I'll vlog there. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along. Well, should I actually take this camera? Probably not. This wedding, I really do not know the couple that well, so I don't want to just go somewhere and next thing just flip up my camera and just start. So I feel like I'll go with my phone actually. Yeah, enough of me talking. We're going to go. I'm actually sleeping over today, so when we get back I'll try to check in with you guys. Let's go.
It's a boy now, man.
fada a rijiya, ke na rike a zuciya, sanki a rai yake waya, ya bi jini da jijiya ya shiga zuciya. Na yarda na amince, na baki sirrika na, ni ke nake ta hange, ki zamo uwar gidana. Na fada a rijiyar ƙaunar sahiba, yo zabari ki zo ki tsamo ni da kugiya. Na fada a rijiyar ƙaunar sahiba, yo zabari ki zo ki tsamo ni da kugiya. Na fada a rijiyar ƙaunar sahiba, yo zabari ki zo ki tsamo ni da kugiya. Ki nake ta yi, tsananin sanki ne na yi, na rasa yadda za na yi, ya ki taho ki bari.
Sister, where do I press record?
Recording.
Oh, hi guys, hello and welcome back to Vivi Cook's vlog. We just came back from the wedding. Vivian is about to change into something comfortable. Same here. Take off this makeup, you know, and go say.
I gotta put me first. Hello everybody. Finally my mic is working now. I actually thought it was working at Amnah's house, but it wasn't. Anywho, today is Saturday and I'm about to leave my house. I'm going to my parents for lunch. It's like 11 something now. So I'm going to my parents for lunch, and after that I'm going to a mental support group. This is going to be my second time attending. The first time was so amazing. I don't think I'll be able to vlog there because it's like a safe space, personal, all of that stuff. I know, right? Is this the wife you're bringing to my house?
Is this the wife you're bringing? Oh, I showed her breasts now, even her legs.
Okay, my bride, incoming bride. Okay. Premium, period.
Yes, friend.
Woo. It's just really nice. It's nice.
How can I forget your name?
Okay, cheers. This thing is bitter. Oh my god. This shit is so bitter. Okay, hi guys, good morning. Gosh, my kitchen is so hot. But hey, it's Sunday today and I'm getting ready to go to church. Okay, what shoes am I going to wear? I am ready to go. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm dressing like an Igbo woman that I am, and this outfit was made by my mom. And she's actually briefing me that I haven't worn it. So I'm like, you know what, I'm going to wear it today to go to church. I look like one church mother, Abby. I know. Let me grab my bag, all my things. Ugochi's on her way. She'll be here any minute now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the car.
You need to go to Lagos, I tell you to go enter the plane, even if it drops, you will not die. You must ask everybody you see in faith, they live inside the word of God.
That is it. I love what you said.
Hey guys, we just got back from church and we're at Ugochi's house right now. She's about to make me lunch. Ooh. Oh, Lily now gave. Hi, how are you? It's been a while. Auntie.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Happy
You're
Sunday.
looking nice.
Like a rich woman, ba.
Don't be small.
Hey.
$1 million. $1 million.
Hey. Hey guys, say hi to
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. I've actually been back for over an hour, but we've not had light. They literally just brought the lights. I mean, I wish I stayed back because when I got back, I was like, what? I came back, I left to go to his house early because I wanted to come back and do some work. Only for me to come back to no lights, and I'm just like, I should have gone out because I was supposed to go out to dinner with Ugochi and her family, but because of my work, I was like, no, I have to come back. Only for me to come back to no lights. Church was amazing. Oh my God, it was actually my first time attending and I had so much fun. It was so interesting. I was really attentive. I didn't sleep during sermon, which is a shocker. But yeah, all in all, it was actually a very good service and I'm looking forward to the next service. Yeah, I just thought to check in with you guys. I'm going to get to my work now and I'll film much later.
How much is it? How many? Calm down.
Today is Monday and I'm on my way to Amnah's house because I'm actually going to be sleeping over again. I know. I slept over like what, 3 days, 4 days on Friday, I think. Anyway, I'm so excited. I just thought to check in with you guys. I mean, since the vlog is not going up, I might as well continue vlogging. So yes, when I get to Amnah's house, I would vlog and, you know, talk to you guys. But I just wanted to check in. And bro, Abuja now, Abuja has turned to Lagos, everybody. The traffic is crazy. And when I say crazy, I kid you not, like there's traffic everywhere. And this time it's like, what time is it? It is 5:51, almost 6 o'clock. So you can imagine, everyone is trying to get home or get to some place, leaving the office, leaving their school, whatever. Anyway, the roads are packed, but hopefully I don't encounter any crazy traffic before I get to my destination. Anyway, that's true. Happy Ramadan or Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim friends watching me. I wish you guys a stress-free Ramadan. Make sure you call me for meat. I mean, fasting just started, so let me calm down. Oh, by the way, let's talk about this new lens. I've been enjoying it so much. I think it gives a different feel as opposed to the other one. I like the lens. I really like the lens. I like how wide it is, and I like how the background is blurred a little bit. I really like that. So yeah, I'm loving the lens, and I can't wait to, you know, explore, do more things, feel more things with it. But yeah, enough of me blabbing, right? I'll see you guys when I get to Amnah's house. Hey guys, finally there's lights. I don't know if it's the Gen or NEPA, or should I say AEDC. I don't know which one, but there's lights and I'm happy. I'm trying to get the AC remote so I could turn on this AC. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Amnah to get here. Let me show you guys my outfit, what I wore to my meeting today. Pretty casual, but really, really cute. So I wore this two-piece and it's from Ebbs Couture. I'll leave their Instagram somewhere on the screen. This is the side, this is the back. It's simple but cute. It's really cute. Okay guys, quick one. So I got this apple juice from the wine bank and I got for Amnah and I. I've actually tried this before and I really liked it. So I'm like, you know what, let me get one for me and get one for Amnah. And I got it from the wine bank. It was 1,000 naira each. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Anyway.